Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do some smoky brown eyes look. Let's get started. So for my base, I have already moisturized my face. So now I'm going in with the color corrector. I'm using this orange color corrector here. If you have prominent dark circles, you should use orange color corrector. If you have medium dark circles, then you should use peach color corrector. I'm also using this color corrector around my mouth. Next I'm going in with the concealer, that is my shade. Once I am happy with the color correcting, I am going in with some loose powder, little bit over the corrector. Next I am going in with the foundation. I am using a wet beauty blender to blend the foundation. Next I am going to highlight my face with a light concealer. I have mentioned all the products in the description box below. When it comes to makeup, there is no right or wrong in makeup. You can use the techniques that work for your skin texture, for your face shape, etc. When you use a light concealer, the trick is to let it sit for a few minutes and then blend it. That way you get better coverage. You can see the difference. I'm going to set the concealer with loose powder. Next I'm going to contour my face with this Swiss Beauty contour palette. I'm using a small brush to contour my nose. Next I'm applying some blush. I'm not going crazy on the blush as I'm going to be doing a smoky eye. The highlighter also I'm going to keep very light. The nose, I'm going to be highlighting my nose like this. That's it, that's the base done. For my eye makeup, I'm going to be filling in my eyebrows first. So I'm using an ash colored eyebrow pencil like this. So I'm going to brush my eyebrows downwards like this with a spoolie. Once I'm happy with the shape, I'm going to brush them upwards. I'm filling in the sparse areas. For any mistakes, you can always use a concealer later. Along with the concealer, I'm also using an eyeshadow base. To start with, I'm going to be using this brown shade. This brown smoky eye look goes on any attire. You can do it on formal attire or you can do it on traditional attire. I'm going to be blending the same shade on my lower lash line. I'm not going all the way till my inner corner. Next, I'm going to be using this dark brown shade over this shade. Oh, this always falls off. Blending these harsh lines. I'm using a clean blending brush here. Next, I'm going in with this shade. Next, I'm going in with the gel liner. I'm smudging the gel liner with a Q-tip. Next, I'm going to be tight lining my eyes. I'm also smudging the kohl on my waterline. I'm going to use this brown shade by Latte liquid lipstick first. This shade is too dark for my eye makeup, so I'm going to be using a nude shade over it. For my falsies, I'm using the glue on my lash line. This way they stick very easily. If you don't like falsies, you can totally skip this step. I prefer falsies because I feel that they dramatically transform your look. Next, I'm going in with some mascara. So I'll just change and be right back. And that's it, that's the final look. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do let me know how you like this look in the comment box below. Thank you for watching.